Google just gave NotebookLM superpowers. It runs something called OCR, which means optical character recognition. That's just a fancy way of saying it looks at your photo and extracts all the text and meaning from it. Then you can ask it questions about what's in the image. But I need to be real with you about the limitations, because no tool is perfect. And if you don't know the weak spots, you're going to get burned. First, OCR is good, but it's not magic. If your handwriting is messy, the accuracy drops. If your photo is blurry or the lighting is bad, it's going to miss stuff, so always double check what it extracted. Compare the image side by side with what NotebookLM says it found. Don't just trust it blindly. Second, there are upload limits. You can't just dump 1,000 images into one notebook. Google has caps on the number of sources and the file sizes. So if you're working on a massive project, you might need multiple notebooks. Third, some features are still English only, like the audio overview feature where NotebookLM generates a spoken summary. If your content is in another language, that feature won't work yet. Now let's talk about privacy. This is important. When you upload an image, NotebookLM processes it in the cloud. That means Google sees it. If you're uploading sensitive information like medical records or confidential business documents, you need to be careful. You might want to redact names, account numbers, or anything private before you upload. Or just avoid uploading it until NotebookLM offers local processing options. Right now, everything goes through Google servers, so treat it the way you treat any cloud service. If you wouldn't put it in Google Drive, don't put it in NotebookLM. Alright, so how do you get the best results with this image feature? Here are my tips. Number 1, take clean photos. Shoot straight on, not at an angle. Make sure the lighting is bright and even. No shadows across the page. The cleaner your image, the better the OCR. Number 2, use high resolution. Don't upload a tiny compressed screenshot. If you can, use the original photo or a high quality scan. More pixels means better text recognition. Number 3, test it first. Upload a sample image and see what NotebookLM extracts. If it's missing words or getting things wrong, retake the photo with better conditions. Number 4, verify the output. Always check the original image against what NotebookLM says. Especially for numbers, dates, or critical facts, OCR can misread similar looking characters, like an 8 and a capital B or a 0 and the letter O. If you're using this for something important, you have to verify. Now, here's something cool you can do with this. You can build a personal research library. Every time you read a book, take photos of the pages with the best insights, upload them to NotebookLM. Do the same with articles you print out, notes from meetings, whiteboard sessions, anything. Over time, you'll have this massive searchable database of everything you've learned, and you can ask NotebookLM to pull ideas from across all your sources, like show me everything I've learned about email marketing from all my sources. Or, what are the common themes in my meeting notes from the last 3 months? It's like giving yourself a photographic memory, but better because you can search and analyze it. Another use case, students can photograph their class notes and textbooks, then use NotebookLM to quiz themselves or generate study guides. Instead of rereading 100 pages, you ask questions and get targeted answers. Freelancers and consultants can use it to organize client research, upload notes from discovery calls, screenshots of competitor websites, PDFs of industry reports, then ask NotebookLM to find patterns or create summaries for your client presentations. Content creators can use it to gather research for videos, articles, or courses. Take photos of books, upload PDFs, add web sources, and let NotebookLM help you outline your content. The possibilities are kind of endless, but here's the thing. This tool is only as good as the sources you give it. If you upload garbage, you get garbage out. So be intentional about what you add and always fact check. NotebookLM can summarize and cite, but it can also get things wrong, especially if the source itself is wrong or if the OCR misreads something. So use it as a starting point, not the final answer. Now let me hit you with one more feature that ties this all together. The Discover tool doesn't just find random articles. It actually tries to find sources that are relevant to the question you're asking or the topic you're researching. So if you're writing a paper on climate change and you've uploaded some notes, you can tell NotebookLM to discover more sources. It will go find scientific studies, news articles, and expert opinions. Then it adds them to your notebook and you can ask questions that pull from all of them. It's like having a librarian who knows exactly what you need before you even ask. And because everything is in one notebook, you're not switching between apps or losing track of where you found something. All your sources are right there. You can see them in the sources panel. You can click on any source to read the full text or view the original image. And when NotebookLM gives you an answer, it cites which source it pulled from, so you can trace every claim back to the original. That's huge for credibility, especially if you're doing research for work or school. Use it to build a personal research library, create study materials, organize client work, or gather content research. Start small, be consistent, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. That's everything you need to know. Now go try it. Upload an image, ask a question, see what NotebookLM can do, and here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of image you're going to test first. Handwritten notes, a textbook page, a screenshot. I want to know. Now, okay, this is cool, but how do I take this to the next level and actually scale my business with AI? I want to tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Inside, you'll find a community of entrepreneurs and business owners who are using AI to grow faster and work smarter. We share case studies, tools, workflows, and strategies that actually work. If you're serious about using AI to build your business, you need to be in there. I'll drop the link in the description. Check it out. All right, that's it for this video. If you got value, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.